What do you understand by black box and white box testing? Differentiate between them. So in black box testing, the internal structure, the internal code is not known to you. In white box, you are aware of how the code is written, what is inside. So the looping, the structure, the constructs, all is known to you. So black box testing, the implementation knowledge is not required because you are just going to check the functionality. In implementation, in the white box testing, the implementation knowledge is really required. Without that, you will not be able to do it. There are different names for black box testing. It is called closed box testing, data-driven testing, and functional testing. Like this functional testing is used more than black box testing. Then white box testing, we have clear box testing, structural testing, and code-based testing. In the black box testing, it is performed by even the user because they can check the functionality or software tester. But the white box testing, it is normally done by the software developer because you need to know the code program, then only you can do it. Basis part testing, etc. So programming knowledge is not required in black box, and white box programming knowledge is required. So what are the types of testing which is there in black box testing? For example, you have a code. Now, when you just write a code, you want it as a function. Now you will check it. That is, the input is going and output is coming. So you can call it as a module also or a component also. So that is unit testing. So the black box testing and white box testing. Here when we combine the modules, different modules, so we check the interface testing. So this also comes under white box testing. So the unit testing, when you write a code, or module testing, or interfacing, that is the testing of interfacing, that also comes under the white box testing. So we have path testing, loop testing, conditional testing. This is all comes under the white box testing. But the low level testing is all what we call as white box testing, because you have to go to the code level and then you have to check. But you just have to check the function now. So if you are putting 2 and 3, if you want to check the add function, if 5 is coming, it's okay for you. So this is the functional testing. So functional testing, non-functional testing, and regression testing, they all comes under the black box testing. So these are the major differences between them.